Boys are more likely to sit back and sit the lip and let the girls or someone else do the talking. And I just didn't feel right with that.
When learning got hard, I didn't have any ideas, so I started talking to the other people, and I wasn't talking about learning because I didn't have any ideas.
In the beginning of the year, when I get stuck, I just let it go and start talking. But now, when I get stuck, I find a way to solve the problem.
I think when the children used to get stuck on something, they'd try and hide the fact that they didn't know it because they wanted to look like they knew what they were doing. So now, with this focus on active learning, we're really focused on being honest about what you don't know so that we can work through it.
Really trying to enable the learner to think, oh, I can ask a friend, I can tell my neighbour. If that doesn't work, I can ask the teacher for some advice. Kind of enabled their peers to be the problem solvers, and the kids enjoyed putting that together.
In writing, I didn't really like it because I didn't have any ideas, or it started to get boring and frustrating. But now I have heaps of helpers like my friends or the teacher. So I sometimes use their ideas and make it into my own idea.
That matches your poem, doesn't it? That's really good.
We talk about what we're going to do, and if we have something new to do, we just talk about what the new goal is or what the new story that we have to write about is.
I've focused and I've got more ideas, so I don't need to be bored.
It has been really different because last year in my old class we didn't really do any of the publishing our stories on the computer, but because we had to publish them on actual paper. But now in Room 4 we actually just publish them on computers or go straight on to doing it on computers.
So what sort of things do you think we need to be telling the audience?
We've got to try and make the audience read more and not just fall asleep.
First, I do something interesting for the audience, like take pictures from the internet that's interesting, and then I post it to the movie that I was making.
I think I'm a better writer now because I am a good speller and a lot of stuff has changed over the past.
Today is the day when we all say hooray.
It's important to me because I want to learn more from writing and get better and be with those high-level people.
I just think that I've improved in every piece of writing I've done. Like my first writing, I'm up to here, and then my second writing, I just go up.
Having learning conversations with the group of boys has enabled me to look at my data with a lot more background information rather than just number crunching or putting them in a certain group. It's enabled me to think about active learning goals as well as writing goals.
I'm reading reports at the moment, mid-year reports, so we're making predictions about who's hopefully at standard by the end of the year. And that group of boys that we've been really focused on, that no one was at standard at the end of last year, now I'm seeing comments in their reports about how they know their strengths, how they're more engaged in writing, how they're working to build on their strengths in writing, and the prediction that they will be at standard at the end of the year, which is pretty exciting. And I'm reading reports with a smile on my face and feeling excited for these children moving forward.